Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. It is time to get some seeds started. So I got my 36 by 36 little unit, you call them units, tray, ready for some seeds. And I thought we would plant some beans, some zinnias, some peas, eggplant, squash, some more marigolds, and lastly, my favorite, zucchini. And I actually need to bring my grow light back in here. I had it outside in the garage. I'm not sure, somewhere I lost internet connection, so I'm not sure where I'm at, but I need to bring my grow lights back in the house. I didn't like it in the garage at all, so we'll need to do that too. Alrighty, I got them lifted up some so they are closer to the light, watered them. And again, today is February 14th. Check back in soon and I'll show you the progress of how they're growing. Thanks for watching.